guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and as you know, Nykaa Hot Pink sale is live, so I thought of sharing my favorite products so you could get them at best possible price and deals. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, Innisfree is having these exclusive hot pink sale sets, and these are of great value, and you should definitely get this one. So first one is the must-have heroes, where you get two full-size products at the price of one. So here you have the green tea seed serum. I love this serum. It's so lightweight, very hydrating, and perfect for oily skin girls. And another product which we have here is Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Again, this is a bestseller, and I highly recommend and love this mask. So if you're looking to buy any of these products, I suggest you go for this kit. So you get two products at price of one. So this is amazing. Also, these kits are exclusive to the sales, so get it before it goes out of stock. So this is the first kit from Innisfree. So another exclusive kit which we have from Innisfree is this Innisfree Skincare Essentials set. This is how it looks, and this is very beginner friendly. So starting with skincare and you want to try a lot of products, this is perfect. Like, this is only for $9.99 and you get 7 products here. So you get 2 of their rice capsule pack. So this is a volcanic cluster capsule recipe pack. Then we have the rice capsule recipe pack. I love this one. Then we have this Jeju volcanic blackhead 3-step program. We also have a lip balm, a cleanser. This is the green tea foam cleanser. I love this cleanser. Like, this is my go-to cleanser. We also have 2 sheet masks. So this kit is perfect for beginners, and if you want to try Innisfree products, this is a great way to do so. So I'm recommending these sets to all my girlfriends. You should definitely pick this up because they're of great value and I absolutely love them. So as you're talking about Korean skincare, there's another great deal which you should not miss out. It is from Dear Packer. So they do these home remedy masks which I absolutely love. Like, my favorite one is the green tea and jasmine. I've used 3-4 of these sheet masks and I absolutely love how calming and beautiful it smells. So basically you buy 5 masks and you get 7 masks free. So it is a crazy deal. So if you love sheet mask, this is a good way to stock some. So you basically add 12 sheet masks in your cart and you pay for 5 only, which is crazy. I am definitely going and buying some more. So yeah, these are pretty to look at, and also they perform really very well. I absolutely love how these masks, they are made for Indian skin concerns and with Indian ingredients. So definitely look out for sheet mask from Dear Packer if you are interested. So as you know, Bath & Body Works is now on Nykaa, and I was the happiest person because you know, sometimes you don't want to buy a lot of products from Bath & Body Works website. Like, you have to at least buy 2,500 worth of product to get free shipping. But with Nykaa, you can just add few other things which you want and you can get your Bath & Body Works products. So yeah, they have a special buy 2 get 2 free right now on Nykaa. So I love their candles, and this one in particular is my favorite. This is the Cactus Blossom candle and it smells really beautiful. Like, it is musky and little floral as well. So beautiful scent. You should definitely get this. Like, if you're getting 4 products, you only pay for 2. So amazing. Again, I love their shower gels. This one is from their aromatherapy stress relief range. This has eucalyptus and spearmint. And another favorite is this iconic 1000 Wishes. I love their shower gels. They smell beautiful and they are pretty moisturizing on the skin. You can also go for their hand soaps. They are really very nice. And candles. So yeah, definitely don't miss out on these offers from Bath & Body Works. So another Korean brand which I absolutely love is Laneige. I love their water sleeping mask. The texture is beautiful. It is so lightweight and yet very hydrating. So I just applied a generous amount of this mask and sleep, and next day I wake up with baby soft skin. I'm not even kidding, this is bomb. So you have, I think they have 10 or 20% off. You can definitely try this mask if you're looking for a sleeping mask. Another mask which I absolutely love from Laneige is their lip sleeping mask. This is beautiful. Like, I have a smaller size, so basically you need very tiny amount and it goes a long way. So even a small bottle will last you months. This is in the berry variant. It smells amazing, and so you get the most hydrated and beautiful lips once you apply this. Like, I basically even like to apply this under liquid lipsticks, or I just use it as a night sleeping treatment and my lips love it. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. Another deal which you should not miss out is from Bioderma. So as you know, I love Bioderma micellar water. I've used so many bottles and I can't recommend them enough. Right now they're having 20% off, so it's like the right time to stock up on micellar water. I absolutely love this one. So another Bath and Body brand which I absolutely love is Body Shop. Oh my god, I can't tell you enough how much I love their body creams and body butters. They are absolutely amazing, and again they're having flat 20% on their entire collection on Nykaa, so definitely check it out. This is my favorite body lotion. This is the Wild Argan Oil. This smells so luxurious, so beautiful. I absolutely love this one for its smell, and obviously it's very nourishing and very moisturizing on the skin, so definitely pick up few Body Shop products. Also their body butters. This one is almond milk and honey. Again, a very like deep nourishing and deep moisturizing body butter for your skin. Like, sales are the best time to pick up your favorite products, that's what I think. So yeah, Body Shop does amazing products. So I love Body Shop mist as well. They are very long lasting and I love their smell. My favorite one is the vanilla one from Body Shop, and even the black mask. Like, these are babies. I love how they smell, and yeah, they are very rich, so they last for a very long time, and that's like one of the major things which I look in a body mist. So yeah, definitely pick up these as well. So coming to makeup bit, Etude House is having up to 50% off, which is crazy. I absolutely love their Mirrorholic eyeshadow. Like, this is a liquid eyeshadow. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. I just scribbled some because it's beautiful. Like, I have a golden shade, but yeah, it's really good for wedding season and party looks. And if you're getting it at flat 50, this is like the best time to pick few. I also love their Etude House Play Color Eyes. This is in the shade Wine Party, I believe, and again a very beautiful shades. This has very beautiful berry shades, and I love how compact this is, so you can easily slip in your bag, and they are pretty pigmented as well, like, and they're buttery soft. So yeah, I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette as well. So Etude House also does these amazing lip tints, and I absolutely love their Dear Darling tint. So I can't seem to find my tint right now, but they are amazing, and I believe it's on some good sale, so definitely check that out as well. So another brand which is on flat 50 is Batiste. I love their dry shampoo. This one is in the flavor Coconut and Exotic Tropical. It smells very tropical and summery, and it does the job very well. Like, it removes all the dirt and build up and oiliness from your scalp and from your hair, which is amazing. Like, this is a quick fix if you want to go out and you have not washed your hair. So dry shampoo is like a girl's best friend. You should always have some with you. So yeah, it's the best time to stock up because they're having 50% off and a buy one get one. So yeah, it's a pretty amazing time to pick up some dry shampoo. My Nykaa sale haul cannot be complete without Huda Beauty, and Huda Beauty is having flat 35% off on their eyeshadow palettes, and my favorite is this rose gold remastered palette. This palette is expensive, but if you get it on sale, it's like the best thing you could possibly do to yourself. Yeah, so this is such a beautiful palette. I love the shades, all of them are pretty wearable. So yeah, like it's a beautiful palette, amazing pigmentation, and it's just beautiful, and getting it at flat 35% off is a dream. So definitely pick up these eyeshadow palettes if you're looking to buy a high-end palette. This is amazing. Also, I love their liquid matte lipsticks. This is in the shade Icon, and I'm wearing it. It is so comfortable, and right now having matte lipsticks is like your best friend. If you're going out wearing a mask, you cannot wear any other formula, you have to wear matte lipsticks, and this one is beautiful. It doesn't transfer at all. It's long lasting, very comfortable, and it's a beautiful shade. So definitely go for Icon. Even Trendsetter is amazing. I have Heartbreaker, that is hot red. Yeah, so their matte lipsticks are amazing. Love the formula, and get some if you need some liquid lipsticks. The brand which I discovered was on some good sale was the Balm Cosmetics. It is, I think, on flat 25 all their products, and again, I love their lipsticks. This is the Meet Matte lipstick, and this is the shade Charming. It's a beautiful mauve nude. It's a beautiful mauve pinky nude, and it looks amazing. Again, it has a little minty scent to it, so it keeps your lips cool, and I love the color and pigmentation. It's beautiful. If you're getting it at flat 25, definitely pick this up. Also, I love their Scuba mascara. So this is a brand new one. I have already used one before, so, and I absolutely like their formula. It gives you long voluminous lashes, and they're pretty, and they're waterproof. So yeah, I just use it for special occasions. And I also like their Plum Pure Pucker lip gloss. This I've used a couple of times, but right now I'm not sure how often you can use lip balms. Like, this is a hot Barbie pink, but I like to use it for pictures and all of that. So yeah, amazing. So I love their Matte Luminizer and Bahama Mama bronzer, but currently they are out of stock. I just checked Nykaa and they are out of stock, so there's no point of me showing and talking about those products. But yeah, those are iconic favorite products of mine. So they also do amazing eyeshadow palettes. Their Nude Dude and Nude Jude palettes are really good, and if you're getting it at flat 25% off, it's a good deal. So yeah, that's from Balm. So yeah, these are the few products which I really like, and they're on good deals right now, so I thought of sharing them with you. But there are still a lot of brands, like NYX has 35% off, Wet n Wild has flat 25% off, Maybelline, Nykaa, Lakme, they all are on crazy deals. But like, those are basic products, and I'm sure you must be knowing. And even from high-end category, Kama Ayurveda has good deals. I've placed an order, but I've not received it yet. Even Forest Essentials, MAC, Clinique, Smashbox, all these major brands have really good deals, so definitely check it out. I will leave a few other interesting deals which I find in the description box below, so keep a check on that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Happy shopping!